I know maybe video going to be lengthy and boring, but no one can showing like this way. I am promised that I am trying to give some knowledge to you. Okay, if you have a patience, if you want, if you have a passion about trading, try to watch the video. Okay, downtrend. It maybe it will move sweeping this high, then only it will maybe respect. It is already indicating that. See, downside we have a gaps. It not respect. Downside we have a gap. It's not respecting. See, it was broken. It was broken. I was win. Okay. Liquidity was sweep. Here is a one more gap. Here is a one more gap. The extreme fair value gap was broken. The target is upside. That's why I take a call option. Last second, it was a good win. I finish off century now. 50 trades, 51 trades I take now. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to make a very interesting video. Those all are misconceptions in anyone's mind about SMC and fair value gap. I am going to clear in this video. Today I am going to take 100 trades. You hear right. I am going to take 100 trades. Okay, using these strategies. Okay, using these strategies, I am going to take 100 trades. I will be backtest the strategies by reading candle by candle. I am going to read 10-hour chart. I am going to backtest 10-hour chart using liquidity and fair value gaps. This video going to be very interesting. You will definitely learn lot of things. Watch the video till the end. Okay, let's dive into the video. See here, I write some points here. See, I am going to use these strategies. This is not strategies actually. So inducement, order block, swing high, swing lows, and fair value gaps and price action traps. The 4 points is okay. This is reversal point. This is reversal point. Everyone know about the order block and inducement. If you don't know, go and watch it. I already make a video on this. And about swing low and swing high, this is the liquidity points. Fair value gap is the liquidity point. This is our main concept. Price action traps. These all are the points we are going to discuss today. See here, I draw some pictures here. If you look at here, I am going to use this strategy. What kind of strategy this is? Here is higher high was broken. After higher high breaks, this is the higher high. After higher high breaks, the first pullback is inducement level. This is our inducement level. After inducement mitigation, if I get any gap, okay, if I get any gaps, I am going to sometimes directly trade. Without mitigation, I am going to take some directly trade. Sometime I wait for the mitigation. Okay, if you watch the video, you will understand where I am taking direct trade, where I am waiting for the mitigation. Same process. If market mitigate the order block, from order block, if I get any gap, sometime I take the directly trade, sometime after mitigation. Same process. If there is any swing low, if market sweep the swing low, create the gap, same process. There is any fair value gap, if it is mitigated, if I get any gap, I will follow the same process which I wrote here. These all points. If we get a reversal from gap from here, I am going to same process. If market reverse from order block, I am going to same process. If it is reversed from swing low, swing highs, I am going to same process. If it is reversed from the fair value gap, I am going to same process. This is a little bit different. I will explain in the video. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. Okay, if you have any doubt, if you have low confidence, okay, after watching this video, you are going to be a build massive confidence and strategies also. Okay, now say this is current market. This is present market at 3. What is happening now? Time 3:25. So I will go for at least 10 hours. Why? Because why I am going to 10 hours back? At least for I am expecting for 1 hour. For 1 hour at least I am expecting 10 trades. If I get, I don't know. Sometimes it will happen. Sometimes not happening. So at least I will go for 10 to 12 hours chart back. Okay. See. Now it's 3:25. It will go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is happening here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from this 10 hours back, I am going to do back test. Okay, from this 5 o'clock early morning in the, I think this is the 5 o'clock early in the morning. So from this here I am going to back test. Where is this 5? I don't know what is happening. Nothing, I don't know. So from here I am going to read the market. See, it is looking like easily downtrend. So let's check the first trend. Always the trend is important. I will try to find the trend first. Then I will replay the bar by bar. Okay. If any point of time when you are watching the video, any point of time, if you like this concept, like the video, comment below, share with your friends. Okay. See, here is the lower low. The actual lower low is here. This is lower low. Lower low was broken with body. That's a good confirmation. So after lower low break, we have to find the first pullback. Where is the first pullback? Here is the first pullback. This is the inducement level. Okay. Let's watch. Okay. Market is come to inducement level. Here is the inducement level. It was mitigated here. After mitigation, we don't have a reversal here. It will went upside. See, it will went upside. It was sweep this highs, swing high. It was sweep this swing high. This is liquidity level. After sweeping this liquidity, market is reversing. From here, if I get any confirmation, what is our confirmation? Always our confirmation is gap. Okay, remind this point. Always our confirmation is gap. So there is a gap. Where is the gap? Here is the gap. Okay, I got a breakaway gap from here. So where is my target? See, I am, one second. This is the swing high. I will change the color. Wait, please. Okay, this is the swing high. This is the swing low. Okay, the swing low is our target. I will draw this target first. Here is the target. Okay, this is the target. This is the liquidity level. So remember, previously I showed that sometime I will take the trade with. Okay, let's we can start from here. One second. We can start from here. Okay. Okay. So sometime I will. Previously I discussed that sometime I will take with the direct trade, and sometime I wait for the mitigation. Where I need to wait for the mitigation? When market reach our target. If market reach our target, we have to wait for the mitigation. Okay. When you take the direct trade, if there is a no target is not reached, there is a no targets. Target is far from our trade. So then go for the direct trade. This is the rules you have to remember. So now see, the target was finished here. We have only one gap here. In this old price lag from here to here, we have only one gap. We have to wait for the mitigation. Let's check what is happening here. Okay, it was mitigated here. Now, so see here, a lot of people have some, here is some gap also. But sometime it will try to fill this gap. But in this situation, it will move down. So why? Because in this old price lag, in this old price lag, we have only one gap. It was mitigated. So trend is downtrend. It was already mitigated the inducement level and swing low, so swing high. So it will move downside. Let's take one trade from here. This is first trade, sell, not in here, here. Okay, I was win here. After that, what I do here? So again, target is here. Target was finished. So again, after mitigation of this fair value gap, I need confirmation. What is the confirmation? Confirmation is gap. Again, if market try to create any gap within the target, inside the target, again I go for the sell side. I am not going to take any call option because trend is downtrend. So it was break this target. Where is the next target? It is the target. Target is all about pullbacks. Okay. So next I will go for the, okay, see here. What is happening? Market is create the gap. It was mitigate the gap. Again, it was creating the gap. So can I take the direct trade here? Can I go for direct trade here? No, because previously we discussed our target was finished. When target was finished, we have to wait for the mitigation. So even I have a gap here, I am not going to take any trade here. This is a good confirmation. Still I am not going to take any trade here. It was win. So see, if you take the trade, you are going to be lost here. So that's why I leave it here. Okay, see, now market is moving downside. There is a no gap, there is a no confirmation. The lowest point, where is the lowest point? This is the lowest point. What is this level? This level will be a change, sorry, break of structure level, because already market is mitigated inducement here. Okay, so if you like this video, I am going to take 100 trades in live next video. If you show your love on this video, I am going to make that kind of video also. Okay, okay, again I am forwarding this. Okay, see, it was entered here, it was mitigated also. So now can I go for directly trade here? I take the trade directly here. Can I go for directly trade here? No. Why? It's a very big candle and break the 50% level also. See here, I will draw. It was broke the 50% also. So I am not going to take the any trade here. I need more confirmation. See, if I get confirmation, I will try to take a trade from here. Okay, from here I have a reversal. So can I go for again downside here? No, I am not going to downside here, because market is sweep the liquidity here. It was the sweep the liquidity and moving upside with what? It was going with the gap. So don't take the trade directly downside now, because this will be a maybe manipulation gap also. This will be maybe confirmation gap also. Maybe sometime market will move upside also. So I am not going to take the trade from here. Okay, let's wait for the breakout this. Okay, see here, now what is happening? Market break this manipulation gap. See, if you feel it is a confirmation gap, liquidity was sweep, it was close exactly at the 50% level. If you think this will be a move upside, if you take a call option, you will be the loss here. Already I mentioned about these things, I mentioned these things in the video. Manipulation gap and confirmation gap, I make the video on detailed video. Go and watch it. Okay, okay, now what's happened? The manipulation gap was broken. Market created the new gap. So can I go for directly trade now? Yes, but little bit minus point is here. It was mitigated our target. See, here is the market target. You see, it was mitigated. So it is better to wait for the mitigation. It is always better to wait for the mitigation. So let's wait. See, this candle went upside and mitigated, came down, but we don't have any entry here. So now after mitigation, can I take the trade here? No. Why? Because if it is closed as a green candle, if it is closed as a green candle, I will move for the sell side. But this candle is mitigated and came down like a red candle. So I am not going to take any trade from here. Okay. Let's wait for the more confirmation. See, it's if you take sell trade from here, you are going to be low. See, market is moving upside. Still, I don't have a confirmation, because we need reversal confirmation. Wait for the confirmation. Okay, now maybe I am getting reversal confirmation. See, first suppose if it is a red candle, first suppose if it is a red candle like this will be my very good confirmation. Why? Because market is, it was almost creating equal highs, it was a gap. So and sweeping the all this liquidity and creating a, if it is a red candle, that is good confirmation. I am going for the sell trade. So that's why I didn't take a sell trade here, because if it is a red candle, that is my confirmation. Okay, so there is a no confirmation. Next, our reversal point is here. Okay, let's wait. What is happening? Okay, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. Okay, market was mitigated this reversal point, but not reverse. So we need reversal. Okay, this is not our reversal confirmation. No, we need gap. Already we discussed about that. So there is a no gap, there is a no trade. You have to remember that point. Just market, it was break this target. Again, the next target is the next pullback is here. From here, it is not reversal. Okay, it's just creating red candle means that is not our reversal confirmation. We need gap. After, okay, after next reversal point is somewhere here and highest point is here. Let's see what is happening. Okay, no, still there is a no confirmation, still there is a no confirmation, still there is a no confirmation. This is early in the morning, maybe that's why there is a no volume in the market. Still we can go for it. From this gap was not broken. This gap was not broken. It was sweep this highs, the sweep this highs, and market trying to moving downside, because this is downtrend. Already we find the trend. Okay, so now here is the something is happening, something it is creating the confirmation here. Here is a gap. Market is creating the gap here. Okay, where is our target? Always our target is the first pullback is our target. This is our target. So now I have a gap. Sir, can I go for directly here? Yes. Why I am going to directly trade here? From up to here, there is a no gap in the market. So there is a no resistance to stop from all this area. There is a no resistance to stop the stop my trade. Definitely it will move downside directly. So I will go for the next candle sell. The black candles are the red candles, so don't confuse here. I like that black, that's why I'm using. Okay, I take a trade here, I win. Now what happened? Market was reached my target and there is a no gap, so there is a no trade. Still now how many trades I take? Still now, okay, I take just 2 trades. So waiting is very better than losing, so I will always go take the good trades only. That is only I'm trying to showing you. Okay, I win here. After that I don't have any confirmation. So next target is here. This is the next pullback. Market is, what is market is doing? Okay, this is not our confirmation because the gap was not mitigated. After mitigation only we have to take the trade. Still there is a no mitigation. Still there is a no mitigation. Okay, it was not mitigated, it was broke the gap. See, it is break here the gap. So if candle close in the inside the gap and give any reaction, then only we look for the trade. If it is break, we are not going to take any trades. Okay, so wait for the more confirmation. Maybe sometime after breakout also it will reverse, but that is not our perfect confirmation. Next target is here. This is equal highs. Equal high means what? Liquidity, and it is a pullback. So maybe market will move up to this level, sweep this liquidity. Maybe it will move downside. Let's wait what is happening here. Okay, okay, there is a no confirmation. See, if market is creating gap upside, you are looking for call option? No, never do that, because always trade with the trend. Trend is downtrend, so you are, if you take the trade, maybe sometime win, but not always. Okay, if opposite side, if you get any gaps, don't depend on that gaps. Okay, okay, wait for the mitigation of our sweep the liquidity. Okay, without sweeping liquidity it was reverse, but okay, now see what is happening here. Here is the gap. This is manipulation gap. Why it is coming from opposite direction, and in this old price lag we have only one gap. So where this gap is created? here is the gap was created. Okay, don't confuse. I am explaining everything, every detail. You don't get this kind of information anywhere. Okay, if you want to learn something, you have to stay here and watch the video till the end. Definitely you are learning lot of things about these concepts. Okay, see, I have a gap downside. Can I take trade from here? No, never. All gaps are not tradable. Why? Because this gap is not broken. This is manipulation gap. It has to be broke. Then only look for the trade. Okay, even you have a good confirmation. Even sometime you win. I am not recommending you to take the trade here. I don't have any confirmation. I am not going to take the trade. Let's see what is happening. It was win. Okay, it was a win, but I don't want to take a trade from here. Okay, see, again I will move forward. What is happening here? Okay, market is creating the gap. Okay, the market create another gap. Is this confirmation? No. Why? Sorry, this is not a confirmation. Why? If it is mitigated here, if it is mitigated here, if it is a create this gap, that is more confirmation. And the second point is, see here, you have a pullback like this. Sorry, I will draw. Wait, here is a pullback here. Okay, we have a pullback like here. So this week react like a rejection block. That's why maybe there is a chances market will reverse. So I need definitely mitigation in this situation. Try to understand where I am taking with the directly trade, where I am taking after mitigation only. Okay, so okay. Oh, see, last second it was reacting. It was reacting last second. Maybe it will move upside. If you take sell trade from here, you're going to lose. So I have any confirmation here? No. Why? If it is close on this gap, if market is 1 second, if market close in this gap, that is my confirmation. But it is not close on this gap. It was broken. So there is a no confirmation to take any trade. Wait for the confirmation. I have a red candle, but still this is not a confirmation. Because why? Market is creating gap upside also. See, this is not our confirmation. Okay, see, if you take the sell trade here, last second it was a move upside. In broker, which broker you are using, not I don't know. In your broker, this will be definitely loss. That's why I'm not taking the trade. Just try to understand which is our high probability trades. 1 second, I will drink a water. Okay, so if you are thinking this is the gap and it was closed here, if you want to take a call option from here, no, I am not recommending, because trend is downtrend. We are looking for only sell options only. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, it was upside. Maybe if you take the trade here, win, but I am not suggesting you take the trade from here. Okay, okay, there is no confirmation because again this gap was broken. Remember the one point, when this is downtrend, this is very important point. This is downtrend, but market is not respecting. There is a gaps, but it was not respecting downside. It was broken. It was creating the gaps upside and respecting and moving upside. That means even it is a downtrend, it is telling you already, I am going to upside to sweep some liquidity. I am not respecting your downtrend. It maybe it will move sweeping this high, then only it will maybe respect. It is already indicating that. See, downside we have a gaps. It not respect. Downside we have a gap. It's not respecting. See, it was broken. It was broken. It is already broken. It is respecting downside. See, it was respecting down upside. That means maybe it will move upside. That means you don't want to take any call option. Okay. Okay. See, maybe okay at the early in the morning we have a lot of fluctuation in the market, but we don't want to need a panic, because we don't have a either any trade. Okay, no, now I don't have any confirmations. What is our confirmation? See, we need what? Gaps. So there is a inner target, next target is here. Here is the target. It was not sweep the liquidity and not moving downside. Still waiting. Okay, no gap. Okay, there is an no gap. Still there is a no gap. Wait for the confirmation. Without gap, we are not going to take any trade. So still there is a no gap. No gap. Okay, see, previously I said this is the major target. The market was sweep here. Maybe after some time, market will move downside. See, from here we are trying to analyze the market from one, maybe from here 130. Now this is 3:30. Already 2 hours. Just I got a two trades because this is early in the morning. That's why I don't have a lot of opportunities here. Okay, I will take only good opportunities only. Okay, no liquid was sweep from here. If we market create any gap, that is good confirmation to take the trades. Okay. Oh, see, this is very rarely it will created because of the morning. After the sweeping the liquidity, market was create the gap. But this green candle is very difficult candle. There is a no upside, downside, weak candle is a small candle. Okay. But see, it was not broke the manipulation gap. So in this situation, what I did, if I get any opportunity from the 50% level, if I get any opportunity from the 50% level, sometime when I am taking the live trade, if it is coming here, if it is reacting, I will take the trade. Otherwise, I'll mitigation the trade. But there is a chances to market will move directly down also because it was with the all the highs. So let's see what is happening. Okay, I'm waiting for the mitigation because this is not live because showing the 50% level. Let's wait what is happening here. See, if you take the trade here, see what is this candle? It's not like a, maybe there is a no volume in the market. That's why this kind of candles happen. Now there is a no decision for us, so we have to wait for the more confirmation. Oh, oh my God! See, strong sellers are entered. If this candle, at least we have a small wick, at least we can think for the sell here. Otherwise, not. Okay. So what I say previously, when markets hit the highs, that is a confirmation market will move downside. Until not see the major liquidity market is not move. See previously we said here is a equal highs. After sweeping liquid only market will move. Otherwise, if you have any gap, that is not going to work for you betterly. Again, market move upside and sweep the high, then only it was moving downside. Okay, then the first target is here. Target was finished here. After finishing the target, what we do now? Next target is here. Equal low was here. Equal low means what? This is liquidity level. Let's see what is happening. Present we don't have any confirmation. Why? In this type of candle, not our confirmation gap. Maybe there is a news or any exhaustion. We don't know. It will happen this. See, very funny market. See this type of candle. See this type of candle. There is a no volume. Always try to avoid this type of what I say market. Okay, still we don't have a confirmation. So if you think this is also gap, yes, technically we can call it, but when market create this kind of exhaustion candles, we don't take this is also gap. This is not going to be work for us. We need more confirmation to the take the trades. Okay, I am not going to take any trade here. See, okay, market is moving upside, then it will move downside. Okay, now I have to wait for the confirmation. Yeah, I get some kind of confirmation. This is fair value gap. Okay, this is fair value gap from where it is not sweep this low. So now I have to think about it. Can I take trade from here or not? I have to think about it. What we can do here? We have to think about it. Why? Because the target was finished. After finishing the target, this lower candle is indicating it needs mitigation. So I am not going to take the directly trade. I don't know, because of this early in the morning I am not getting any proper trade. In which I, if I have a in live trading, maybe I will take more trades, but I want to show in for you only high probability trade setups. So I have to wait for the mitigation. Otherwise, I am not going to take the trade. So it was move upside. So this is not our confirmation. There is a no reactions in the market. Don't think this is the gap. It is not our confirmation gap. So maybe market will move upside to mitigate this gap. Maybe after that only it will move, come down. Let's see what is market is trying to say here. It was reverse, but this is not our confirmation because market is creating gap upside. It was sweep the liquidity downside. Maybe there is chances to market move upside. Okay, it is coming downside. This is not our confirmation. Still, we need more confirmation. Now, I have a confirmation. This is proper confirmation I have, but only one minus I have. This manipulation gap was not broken, but it was sweep the highs and exactly for this gap 50%. Again, it is creating the fair value gap. It was sweep this equal highs. Everything is looking for the down trade. I am going to take a down trade here. I was win here. Okay, 3 trades I take, 3 was win here. Okay, let's now again market is creating the gap. Okay, again market is creating the gap. So what can I do now? So can I go for directly and wait for the mitigation? So I have two options here. Why? Because exact it was close at the support level. That means it is trap. And we have two gaps that continuously it is confirmation go downside. All situation is we are telling that me go for downside. But this candle is not giving any confirmation. So sometime it will move down very big candle, or at least sometime it will come one candle to mitigate to tap the price action traders, then it will move downside. So I need more I'm looking for the more confirmation. If this mitigated this gap or any green candle, I will go for the next directly sell, otherwise I wait for you. Okay, what we can do now? What kind of confirmation this is? Very funny market. Okay, so maybe it will move downside. Let's see what is happening. Maybe I will take the sell directly here. Okay, I was win. Why I take the trade here? We have a three options here to take the trade. Why? Because exactly from support level, I have a two confirmation. It was with the liquidity. It will move downside. It is dropped. So that's why I take the sell trade. I was win here. No issues. Now I don't have a confirmation. At least we need a mitigation of this gap. So I will wait for the mitigation. Then only I can go for trade. Okay. Same candle. So I don't want to take the trade on here. Okay. Now same pattern is applying here, but I am not looking for the trade here. Okay, it was moved downside. Market is create the proper gap here. But what I say previously, this is our target. The target was finished. After this target, downside we have one other target is here. Target is not about just I am taking the pullbacks only. Don't think over. Okay, then we don't have any gaps on here. Then this is the our what is this level? One more next target is here. Our breakout structure is here. So I am looking for the only sell options. Still now I take a 4 trades. I was win this 4 trades. Where is this mouse was gone? So wait for the mitigation, then only we can go for it. Okay, see what is happening. Market was out reach our target. Still I don't have a confirmation. So all these points you have try to understand one thing. I am not taking an every gap. Not every gap is not tradable. Not every gap is not tradable. Try to understand that. Okay, so I am waiting for the mitigation or more extra confirmation. So this is not our confirmation. So same process is locally. See, if you understand the market, it was coming small doji type candle, then moving downside. Small doji type candle, then moving downside. But this is not the way to take the trades. This is not happen in the when market have in active way. This is not in active way. Okay, see there is a dojis and dojis. Okay, again. Okay, suddenly it was move forward down. Okay, after finishing this target, okay, I forget to draw here. Here is a pullback. Here is a pullback. Next target is here. If market creating any confirmation, I try to take a sell trade here. No confirmation. Market went upside. There is a no gaps. Okay, in this price lag, this is the extreme fair value gap. We have a here is a gap, here is a gap, here is a gap. These gaps are maybe not give that much proper wins. I am waiting for the sometimes most of the times extreme gap Okay, let's wait what market try to say, uh, telling about us. Okay, it was moving upside. I'm not have any confirmation. Oh, okay, see, it was mitigated our extreme fair value gap and sweep the highs and everything. See, it was sweep this high and it was sweep this fair value gap and close as a red candle. So this is not a confirmation to take the sell directly. If this candle close as a green candle in this fair value gap, maybe I will think for the sell. But this candle only sweep and close as a red candle, this type of candle. So not a good confirmation for me. So wait for the more confirmation. See, if I look for the sell trade here, I am lose here. So here is a one more unmitigated extreme fair value gap in this old price lag. Let's see what is indicating is, if it is market, at least it will react on this. It not reacted, at least it will give small reaction. I will look for the sell, but not now. So there is a no confirmation for me, so I have to wait for it. But sellers are entered, but still I don't look for the sell trade. Why? Because marketing creating equal highs and upside it was creating the manipulation gap. I need to wait for the breakout this manipulation gap, then only I look for the trade. Okay, it was went downside very fastly. Okay, good, that was a good thing, good sign. It was broken. If they have a two option now, if it is creating a big candle, it is a gap, that is confirmation. There is a no gaps left side, that is very very good confirmation. My target is below, I will look for the sell trade. Otherwise any candle is reacting from this inverse fair value gap, then I'll go for the sell trade. Okay, wait for it. What kind of confirmation, man? So this is very very funny actually, but still it was creating the gap. It is some kind of risky, so what can I do? I leave it. I leave it. Maybe sometime it will be a bigger candle also, but I don't need to take the trade on here though. Okay, okay, see, if I take the trade here, maybe loss or anything. Okay, still not, there is a no mitigation. So okay, here is the mitigation, here is a gap was mitigated, this is confirmation gap. Okay, this is manipulation gap, this is confirmation gap. If you don't understand what is about difference between these two candles, go and watch our video. Okay, but this is not our confirmation, it was not reacting on this level. But I'm looking for the sell trade here. Let's see what is happening, because all market is like this way. Let's see. Okay, last second it was a doji candle. Maybe refund, maybe loss, maybe or win, depend on the broker and your entry point. Okay, now what can I do? No, I don't want to do anything, because market again moving with gap upside, so I don't want to do. Actually, if there is a no gap, I will try to look for the sell trend. Now I don't want to sell. See, market is again doji, again doji. Okay, suddenly it was move, went upside, sweep this highs. Maybe next high was here. Let's see what is happening here. Okay, I know maybe video going to be lengthy and boring, but no one can showing like this way. I am promised that I am trying to give some knowledge to you. Okay, if you have a patience, if you want, if you have a passion about trading, try to watch the video. Okay, okay, market is reversing from the swing highs, but no gap. Still there is a no gap. Upside gap, there is a upside is a gap, so we don't depend on this gap. This is a manipulation gap. Okay, we are not looking for the call option, we are looking for the only sell options. Okay, okay, no gap, no gap, no gap, gap. See what is happening. If you think this is the gap, this is not our confirmation. Why this is not our confirmation? It is the manipulation gap, it has to be breakout. This is the manipulation gap, it has to be breakout, otherwise it has to be mitigated. It was not mitigated, it was broke out, so I don't want to take trade from here. Okay, it was reacting, maybe it will move upside also, but I don't want to take the trade here. See, it was move upside, but I don't want to take the trade opposite direction. I am not showing that. If I take maybe personally, but I am not showing here. I want to go with only trend. Okay, no, no, there is a no gap, it was move upside, move upside, and it was sweep here, sweep this high. Let's wait what is indicating me. Okay, suddenly it has a very very big candle was our fair value gap is not broken, and here is the next pullback is here. See what is happening. Let's wait for the confirmation. Okay, okay, okay. This is what is happening here. It is the market is creating gap. So can I take trade from directly here? This is very difficult because it was not broke this low, and it was sweep this equal highs, everything it was sweep. Maybe it have a big wick on downside, maybe it will move and mitigate it. It will downside. So I wait for the mitigation, then only I will go for trade. This candle, see, if I take the trade here, maybe a loss. But this is not a good confirmation because there is a lot of space. So this is not a confirmation. Why? Sometime it will fill. This is not a good mitigation. So I need more confirmation. I have to wait for it. Okay, last second it was a green candle. Still now I don't have a confirmation. If candle closed below the 50% level, maybe I think about it. But it was almost see all this gap. So I don't want to take the trade. See, it was see this highs. So market is it is downtrend, but behind you uptrend. Already say how it why what kind of confirmation it is. When market sweep lows and creating highs gaps, that is indicating I am moving upside, but I don't want to take any upside trades. Okay, still it is 130 to 230, maybe 330, 430, 230, 3 hours, 4 hours, maybe chart. Still how many trades I get? One, two, three, four. Four trades. Okay, 3 win, 1 refund. Let's maybe I don't know how many trades really I get 100 trades or not, but I will analyze these 12-hour chart, 10-hour chart definitely. Okay, upside was creating the gap. No, I don't want to take the trade. No, it was moving downside or not. Okay, it was strongly, it was moving upside. Where is the highest point is here? Maybe here is a 1 point, and maybe here is a one more point, the swing highs. It will be sweep, then maybe it will come down. Let's see what is happening. If I take opposite call options, I will get more trades. I want to show more trades, but how to strictly with our rules. Always try to trade with the trend that will give you, see, even you get more less trades, you will be win. Okay, 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 let's see. There is a no gap, there is a no gap. It was moving upside, moving upside, moving upside, no gaps. Downside, I'm waiting for the gap. Still, it is not creating any gap. No gap, no gap, no gap. Okay, after long time, after sweeping these highs, all the highs, market was sweep. So all the highs, market was sweep. Now it is creating the gap for me. But there is a two possibilities. Is okay, there is a no gap. Actually, I think it is a gap. Okay, and there is a manipulation gap also is here. It was not broken. Okay, okay, no gap, gap. We need gaps. There is a no gap downside, no gap downside, no gap downside, no gap downside. Yes, finally, finally after long time, finally after from here to here, now I have a gap downside confirmation. See how much time it take. Sometime it's take this kind of time, almost 1 hour time it will take, but I get a confirmation. Let's see what is confirmation you have. Here is the gap after sweeping this high, sweeping highs. It was creating the downside gap. Our target is here, it was mitigated. Okay, again our target is here, it was mitigated, and this is exhaustion candle. So this is not our proper confirmation. So at least if it is reverse and creating any gap or mitigation this gap, that is our confirmation. So never tempted to just seeing the gap after long time also, don't want to take the trade. Okay, okay, I have to wait for it. Okay, okay, So this is one of my strategies, this is one of my good confirmations. So I will take the trade directly. After taking the trade, I will explain this is win or not, I don't know. Just I take a trade here. This is good confirmation. My students are very well know about this setup. 110% will be win. So after long time, if I wait a 1 hour, if I wait a 1 hour, that 1 hour is worth. Why? Because if you enter the properly, that will you give more confirmation. So okay, okay, again now I don't have a confirmation. Next target is here. Here is any gap. It was broken. So the next confirmation is here. Maybe we need mitigation. Without mitigation, don't take the trade. There is a no mitigation, so there is a no next trade. So again, we need to wait for the more confirmation. More confirmation. No. So it was sweep or equal highs created. It was little bit sweep. Maybe it will try to move up to this gap or this gap. This is the extreme gap is always good for the entry. Wait for the mitigation. Wait for the mitigation. No trade. So no trade. Okay, it was mitigated and closed as a red candle. So I don't want to take the trade because downside there is a manipulation gap also. It has to break or there is a more confirmation I need. What is happened? Wow, what is happened? Move forward. It was stuck. I don't know what is happened to this. I need to wait. What is happened to this? Okay. Now okay. See, I don't have a confirmation because upside there is a gap. So I have to wait for it. Okay. Okay. I have a red candle, but I don't need to sell here because this is not a proper confirmation and downside there is a gap. It was mitigating. Okay, now manipulation gap was broken. If there is a two chances, if market come and mitigated here, that is a confirmation inverse fair value gap, or market creating any new gap downside, that is one more confirmation. See, both things happen here. Exactly close this inverse fair value gap. If market create any gap from here, that is good confirmation. But this is also one kind of confirmation to take the sell trade here. But one I have a one more minus here. What is the minus here? Here is a resistance area. Exactly sellers and sellers. If you take the sellers, that will be plus point to the price action traders. So market will trap to the traders. It will move upside and maybe it will sweep this high. Maybe it will move downside. Maybe there is a chances. So if I want to take the trade here, I want to take the call option. But if I want to take the sell trade here, I need more confirmation. So I leave it. I will ignore it. Okay, it was red candle. Oh, last second it was a green candle. Okay, so now I don't have a confirmation because it 50% was broken. This is also broken. Maybe it will move mitigate this gap. Okay, what is happening? What is happening? Oh my God, it was moving upside. Maybe I need to check somewhere here. Any change of cat level is here. Maybe it was moving upside. Okay, see, I can wait for the confirmations or it was giving downside or not. Somewhere there is any change of cat is here. Really? Maybe I don't think so. This level is maybe change of cat level also. Okay, let's see. Why it was strong? It was moving downside. Okay, there is a no gaps at downside. I will wait. Okay, now I have a confirmation, but minus point also. I'm always explaining plus and minus. Try to understand. Was this only this one video which will make you more powerful trader? This is the gap here. Here is the gap. This is the extreme gap. This is our reversal point. I discussed this. This is our red light. I have a confirmation. This is confirmation. What I did here. Okay, this is the red signal. So I have to wait for the mitigation. So most of the time, sometime it will move reverse from also here. So I need to wait for the mitigation. So let's wait what is happening here. Okay, okay. See, market is reacting from this extreme fair value gap. So we do, and it was creating upside gap. So this is not a good confirmation. I have to wait for the mitigation. Oh, okay. So this is little bit risky if I take the sell trade here because exactly closer to this bottom. So this is really risky. Exactly close here. I don't want to take trade here. Let's wait. No, no. Market is reversing. There is a no confirmation. Market is reversing. no confirmation, market is reversing from extreme gap. No, there is a no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no. Now maybe it will creating the gap. The target is here. So we need patience to take the good trade. So always wait for the good entry. So here is the market is creating the gap, but target was finished. So we need mitigation. So we don't want to take the directly trade. So it was mitigated. So need more confirmation because the target was finished. So let's wait for the confirmation. What is happening here? No confirmation, no confirmation. Now I have a confirmation. Okay, this is my one of good confirmations. This is one of my strategy also. I will try to take a sell trade from here. Okay, okay, okay. Last second I was lost here. Still, after losing this trade also, I will take a one more sell option because I have a two confirmations here. One confirmation is it was exactly close this gap and reversal candles happen, and second confirmation is it is exactly moving from the support level. So this candle is trap. Plus I have a FVG sweep. So definitely I will go for the next trade is for sell trade. Okay, I will take a next trade is definitely sell trade. Okay, last second I was a win here. See, one is loss. How many trades I take in this all is ours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 trades, 1 loss, 1 refund, 6 wins. Okay. Still now, okay. In this all hours, I get a these trades only. Let's wait. Maybe I will get more trades also. When I am looking for the good trade setups, this will happen commonly. Maybe video going to be lengthy. Already it was a 1 hour. Okay, okay. Let's move. If I get any confirmation, I will try to take a trade here. Okay, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. I will little bit go forward fastly because it take long time already. Maybe 1 hour I am trying to record. Here is the gap. Here is the I have a gap. So my target is here. Already market was sweep this liquidity. See, it was sweep this highs. So again it was sweeping these highs. So this is one of my good confirmation. I will try to take a sell trade from here. And one more thing is it was closed exactly from this support level zone also. So it will move down directly. I think so. Let's wait. What is happening here? Okay, I was win here. After that I get a one more gap. So this is good confirmation but little bit risky to take the trade. I will wait for the mitigation. So on this trade I will wait win. I will wait for the more confirmation. See, here is the two things will happen actually. What is the two things will happen here? Actually exactly it was sweep this low but not reacting the upside. This is a little bit risky, but I want to show two more trades. I will try to take a one sell trade. It is bit risky, but don't try this. I will let's see what is happening. Okay, strong sellers are enter, but now I don't have a confirmation. It was a very big candle. When you have this kind of big candle, don't try to take a sell trade. Maybe it will reverse and retrace also. There is a chances. Okay, so in last second, see, we have it. We draw target here. After this target finish, it was moving upside. So let's, I will wait for the confirmation. No confirmation, no confirmation, no gap, no confirmation. So it was moving downside, moving downside, moving downside. There is a no gap. Let's, I have to wait for the more confirmation. Without gap, I am not taking any trades. Try to understand. So next target is here. In this market, next target is here. So I have to wait for it. Okay, no confirmation. It was sweep this high. I was sweep. Market is moving downside. Okay, okay. Now it was creating the gap on here. So market is creating the gap on here, but it is an exhaustion candle. It was mitigated our gap, so this is not a good confirmation to take the trade. And here is a one more. Here is a one more. target is there, it was achieved. So there is only one unmitigated target is here, the extreme fair value gap, that is here. So let's wait one more confirmation. Okay, it was move very okay. Last second, if you take the trade, you are going to be lose here. So there is no confirmation. You have to wait for this gap mitigator, this gap mitigated. After gap mitigation, only take the trade. Okay, this will be a red candle. Gap was mitigated. The extreme target is here. So can I will go for the sell trade here. Okay, I was win here. Our target was finish here. Okay, after target finishing, I don't want to take the trade. I have to wait for the more confirmation. So this is the highest point is here. This is the liquidity level, and next reversal point is here. See, let's what is happening. Okay, market is very strongly moving downside. Here is a gap. It was a breakout. So where is our next target? This is the target was happened. Is over. Where is my target? Here is the next target. So here is the two things will happening. From see, if you understand the market momentum from here to here, it is respecting downside now. It is sweeping highs and creating down. Sweeping highs, it was creating downside. That means it will move more down. It was gap mitigated and gap. This was the exaction candle, but from here to here, they have a good momentum. So we can maybe I am looking for this sell trade here. I will take a little bit risky. We can go for it. Okay. Okay, my risk is success. I was win here. Our target was finished. Next target is here. This is also maybe okay. It was also sweep. So how many things will happening here? See, I take how almost from one. Where is this time? 1:30 to now. This is almost 6:30. 5 hours. 5 in 5 hours. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I get it 12 trades. One is loss, one is refund, 10 is win now, still now. So my target is 100, but I don't know how many trades I will get. Okay, so now I don't have a confirmation because all the target was hit the market. So that is a little bit risky. Even we have a momentum, even we have a gap. So I am not suggesting to take the trade here. Okay, let's wait what is happening here. Okay, this is mitigated. Okay, this is the first gap. This is the extreme gap. After finishing the target, the first gap will be a manipulation gap. I need more confirmation. I will wait for this. Okay, this is reacting, but this is not a good confirmation. So I have to wait for the more, because what is the why it's not a good confirmation? Just I am showing a downside. There is a gap also. That's why there is not a good confirmation. I have to wait for it. Okay, it was move upside. It was broken. After breaking, this is not a good confirmation. This is the next reversal point. Okay, it was moving upside and creating the gaps upside. Okay, I will try to take a trades upside also. I want to take more trades, so I will take call option from here. See, last second I was a win. Why I'm taking the call option? Because markets with the extreme, I want to show more trades. So now I will, if I get any confirmation, I will take the trades both side, because our video going to be very lengthy. I was win. Okay, liquidity was sweep. Here is a one more gap. Here is a one more gap. The extreme fair value gap was broken. The target is upside. That's why I take a call option. Last second it was a good win. So market is reached our target. This is the target. This is the extreme target. So both are the already broken. So there is a no confirmation to take any trade here. So next target will be here. It was broken. So I don't have any confirmation. Let's wait for the confirmation. Okay, it was retest and creating the gap, but is not good confirmation. Maybe it will maybe reverse. There is a chances. Let's wait. Okay, it was reversed, but I don't want to take the trade call option or sell option, because this will be our manipulation gap. I will try to take a sell. Okay, waiting for the gap. It was creating the gap was created, but exactly close at the our red signal. This is the extreme fair value gap. This is our red signal. So next target is here. There is a chances to retrace. If I get any confirmation, I will go for the sell next. Okay, this is good confirmation or not? This is not a good confirmation. Why? Because it was reacting from this gap. We need mitigation more. Okay, so there is a no, still there is a no confirmation. Okay, so now it was mitigated 50% level. See, let's see what is happening here. It was mitigated this 50% level. Okay, maybe it will move upside this also. Why? Because it was reacting this extreme fair value gap. We need more confirmation. Let's wait. Okay, see, it was moving upside. There is a no confirmation. It was mitigated this gap, but it was creating the gap from downside also. Okay, I'm taking a little bit fast because I want to show more and trades. Okay, you can also see the video in 2x. No issues. Okay, it was reacting. This is not our confirmation. So okay, it was breakout this manipulation gap and closed exactly at this support level. So this is one of my confirmation. I will take some risk on here. Why? Because the manipulation was gap broken, extreme fair value gap mitigated, target was below, so I will take the trade here. So okay, I was win here. Our target was finished. Market creating another gap. So after target finish, how do we can take the trade? We have to mitigation. So we need mitigation. Next target is here somewhere here. I am looking the trades only with target to target only. Okay, target is important. Okay, it was very fastly moving downside, but I don't want to take the trade. I need mitigation. I'm waiting for the mitigation. It was mitigated here, but this is the manipulation gap. The first gap always will be it will be a manipulation gap, so it will be some kind of risky. So I'm not going to take any trade here. I will wait for it here. Okay, see last second also you will lose here. Okay, okay, this is okay moving upside. There is a no confirmation. Okay, there is a no confirmation. Okay, this is not a confirmation. It was breakout and retest the IFVG. So this is not a good confirmation to take the sell trade or buy option. I will wait for the more confirmation. See, it was moving respecting. It is a inverse fair value gap. It was breakout and retest. It was moving upside. Okay, again come down. Okay, see, let's see there is any gap or not. Okay, let's see. Here is a gap was created. This gap was broken. This is some kind of good confirmation. I will try to take a sell trade from here. Let's wait. Okay, it was win. Simple. Market is sweep this fair value gap and creating the gap. It was manipulation gap was broken. This is the manipulation gap. This is the confirmation gap. So it was broke out. It was moving downside. So I don't have a confirmation now because we need a I need a mitigation. Okay. Okay. No gap. Okay. No gap. No mitigation. No trade. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, it was broken now. So there is a no confirmation. Okay, the high was sweep here. The high was sweep here. There is a no confirmation. Here is a one more thing is here. No confirmation. Wait for it. Wait for it. Downside only looking for the gaps, not upside. No gap. No gap. No gap. No gap. No. 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 There is any gap is there? Let's check. No, there is a no gap actually. So without gap we are not going to do anything. Okay, now I get a gap here. Wait. Okay, video is too lengthy. It's going to be very lengthy maybe. Okay, sorry for that, but I'm trying to give a good knowledge. Okay, I have a confirmation from here. I have a gap here. What can I do now? So this is, here is the red light. There is a signal. It was mitigating and reacting from the 50% level. So I need mitigation. Without mitigation, if I take the trade, that will be my loss. So we okay. See, if I take the trade, I will be lost. So I will wait for the mitigation. This gap. Okay, it was breakout. So there is a no confirmation. Okay, upside was creating the gap. That is not my confirmation, and this is my reversal point. Let's wait for this. It was sweep. Okay, again sweep this and sweep this. So there is a one more target. I am always looking targets. Try to understand. Upside they have a gap, but okay, it was sweep highs, sweep highs, sweep highs. Downside there is a no gap. Downside there is a no gap. Downside there is a no gap. Okay, always see these gaps are close exactly our red light reversal points. So it was mitigated here, but this is not confirmation. to take the trade. Okay, wait for the more confirmation. It was moving downside. No confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no trade. Here is the reversal point, but without reversal point, it was moving downside. No confirmation, no confirmation. See, here is one kind of trap trading is here is happening. What is happening here is from exactly from this support level zone, it was coming downside. Okay, market is without sweeping any liquidity. This green candle is happening. This is trap. I lot of time discuss in the YouTube video also, and go and watch it. So I will try to take a sell trade from here because of the trap. Okay, oh my god, this is a very big candle. So I was drop trading here, it was win. This is the price action, this candle is price action trade, this is the price action trap. That's why I take the trade. Okay, because without sweeping any liquid, it was coming from the support level. That's why I take a trade here. So I was win. After that, I don't have any confirmation. The target was finished. The next target was here. Okay, if a market creating any gap, I try to take a sell from here. Okay, this is one kind of confirmation, but one minus point is exactly it was close at the resistance level. After target finish, we need mitigation. Here is the target, it was mitigated, and we have a one more minus point is there. It was close exactly at the resistance level. If I take it direct trade here, there is a chances to I am lose. So I have to wait for the mitigation. After mitigation, I need to take the sell. It was mitigated, I can go for this sell trade from here. This will be sell trade. I am win here. So after that, it was downside. Okay, again I am going to downside. No, okay, wait for the confirmation. Okay, this is the one of good confirmations. It was coming from exact support level, and mitigated gap was mitigated, but one more minus is downside have a big wick. So still I want to take the risk from here. If it is loss, I don't still after mitigation also I will look for the sell trade here. Okay, I was win here without, because we have a two confirmation, gap is here mitigated, again gap was created is exactly from the support level. So this is the trap candle and this is the confirmation gap. That's why I take a sell trade here. Here is the trap, here is the trap. I was win here. Okay, so let's move downside. Again, market is creating one more gap, but this is not a good confirmation. Why? The target was finished after mitigation only. I have to take the trades. Okay, it was mitigated and came down, but uh, it is exactly coming from the, see, it is exactly coming from the support resistance level. So this is not my confirmation. I want to take a call option, not sell option. So I don't want to take any trade here. Okay, it was win or loss or refund if anyone take trade here. Next target is here, next target is here. Let's wait. Okay, sellers are entered. No, see, if anyone take trade here, they are lost here. Again it was moving downside. So this is not our confirmation, so we need confirmation. The okay, the market is creating the gap here. Exactly, the gap was created. All targets are finished in the market. All targets are finished. Maybe here is the one target, here is the one target. It was finished. The big candle gap was created. So major target was here. Maybe it will move downside. I think I will go for the directly trade. Okay, if I take the directly trade here, I am lost. So because the target was finished, after finishing the target, we need mitigation. Without mitigation, if you take the trade, this will be happen. You are going to be lose here. So after target finish, we need mitigation. After mitigation only, we look for the trades. It was breakout, not mitigated, so don't have a trade opportunity. Here is the gap was mitigated, but this become risky. I am thinking so because upside it was create the gap here. So I need to wait for the more confirmations. So it was moving upside. There is a no confirmation. It was moving upside. It was sweep the liquidity. Here is the liquidity level. It was moving upside. So I need to wait for the more confirmation downside. I am trying to show the down trades only. Gap was not created. There is a no gap. No gap. Okay, now we have a gap here. Gap was created, but here is the red light. Okay, it was broken, but at least we need good confirmation for it. Okay, because it has to be mitigated, though wait for the mitigation. After that only take the trade. Okay, there is a no trade here for me, no trade from me. Okay, from here if you have any green candle, I will take the trap trading. Let's wait. No trade, no trade, no trade. Okay, no trade, no trade, no trade. I don't have any confirmations. So market is downside. Ah, yes, now it is creating the gap, but it is very very, see, it is very risky trade because it is creating very very big wicks, big wicks, big wicks, very big wicks. So maybe sometime it will retrace, then only it will move downside. Okay, it was sweep this high also. Wait for the good confirmation what is happening. Okay, it was mitigated. Let's take one sell trade from here, not here, here. Okay, I was win here because why? Liquid was sweep here, gap was mitigated. Because of this weeks, I wait for the mitigation. After mitigation, I take a sell trade here. I was win here. Okay, again it was moving downside. There is a no confirmation. Okay, no confirmation, no confirmation. I am waiting for this. Okay, now market is creating the good gap here. Target is here. The minor target is also here somewhere. Okay, it was not mitigated. I want to take the sell trade here, but one minus point is here. It was close exactly resistance level, but still I am looking for the sell trade here. Wait for what is happening. Where is the sell trade? Here is the sell trade. Okay, it was win because the liquidity was sweep, the gap was created, target was not finished. So I take a sell trades. I am taking some risky trades also because I want to show more trades. It was moving down, so this is not our trade. Okay, moving downside, market is creating a gap. Yes, the gap was created, but target was finished. Where is our next breakout structure is here. The target was below. So this is one kind of indication to market take the trades more downside. Okay, it is indicating downside, but already the both targets are finished, so maybe it will be risky. Let's wait what is happening. Okay, okay, it was not mitigated, not mitigated. Now mitigated, but what is happening here? This will be a big gap. This will be a big gap between these two, this gap. So there is a chances to market is fill this gap. So I don't want to take the trade here, but it was loss, second loss. Okay, this is very volatile in market. Now this is the reversal point. It was mitigated but not reversed because we need more confirmation. This is not a good confirmation. I am not taking any trade. Okay, it was moving upside. Okay, no opportunity, no opportunity, no confirmation. Okay, gap was created, but we need for proper mitigation because this is coming. So see here, one thing is happening here. A very interesting point is happening here. If you understand, it is not sweep any liquid. It was coming from exactly resistance level. Maybe this will be a trap. Maybe this gap will be a trap because without sweeping any gap was created, that will be a trap. So I need more confirmation to take the trade. Okay, this is not a confirmation. I need more confirmation. No. Okay, no. See, now I don't have a for proper confirmation. I don't take a trade any here. Okay, no, no trades. See, it was creating upside gap and moving upside. See, if you take trade on this will be loss because without sweeping any liquidity, this will be our trap. Okay, next, moving upside. Okay, liquidity was sweeping. Here is a one more reversal point. It was closed exactly there, but I don't want to take the trade here. It was reverse, but I don't want to take the trade here. No confirmation, need gap. Okay, it was created a gap. We have a two confirmation. I have a two confirmations here. What is the confirmation here? Extreme fair value gap was broken. The manipulation gap was broken. Upside gap was created, but it's a deep retracement. Still, I want to take a sell trade here. Okay. Okay, it's a big loss. Maybe market will move upside. I was a loss here, but no issues. I was a loss here, no issues. Okay, again we need more confirmation to take the sell trades here. Gap was created. Okay, gap was here, but exactly it was closed as the equal low was sweep. So at least we need a retracement candle or mitigation. So wait for the mitigation. So okay, last second it was loss. Now I have a setup. Exactly, it was creating a confirmation gap and sweep the exactly coming from the support level. This will be a trap, and it upside I have a confirmation. Maybe at least one candle it will move downside, then maybe there is chances to reverse the market. So I take a sell trade here. Okay, maybe if you have a good entry point, you will be win. Otherwise, you will lose because of this liquidity sweep. It will moving upside. After that, maybe it will move downside. There is a mitigation, so I look for the again sell trade here. Okay, I was win here. So from here, I don't have a confirmation. I want to take the trade here. Wait for the confirmation. See, here is the one more confirmation because the fair value gap was not broken. Is trying to broken. It was sweep. It was sweep. There is a red candle. There is a chances to market will move at least one candle. I try to take a one more sell trade here. In this zone, I take a 1, 2, 3 trades. One loss, two win. Okay. It was moving downside, but after that, I don't have a confirmation. Wait for the confirmation. Was gap was created, but it was there is a target. Okay, it was not mitigated. This is maybe we need mitigation. Maybe I think I don't. It was sweep this also. This is not a good candles to go directly. So wait for the mitigation. So it was mitigated, but this is not a good mitigation. I need wait for the more time. So okay, I don't want to take the trade here. After the sellers are enter, again I'm waiting. Okay, waiting for confirmation. So see what is happened now. Market is break the structure. Okay, this is 830 to 130. Okay, no issues. Let's okay. Now it's almost how many hours it will be happen? 130 to 230, 330, 430, 530, 630, 730, 830, 930. Almost is within 8 hours start. In this 8 hour chart, how many trades I was take, how many I was win. Once we can check and go for forward. So one is win. 1 second. I will calculate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5, anything is loss here. In this last 4 win, one is refund. Okay, in this 5, one is refund. Okay, here is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5, one is loss, 4 win. Totally 10 trades, 8 win, 1 refund, 1 loss. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this whole area, out of 8, 8 are win. This is win, 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 win. Okay, so total 18 trades. Okay, 18 trades. And how many I was loss? One loss, one refund. Okay, one loss, one refund. 18 trades. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In these 7 trades, I lose here. Here is a 1 lose. Here is a 1 lose. 2 lose, 5 win. Okay, so totally 18 plus 7. 18 plus 7, how many trades? This is 25 trades. 25 trades, I have totally lost 3. 1 is refund. That means how many 4 is happen? 21 trades. 21 trades I was win. 21 trades I was win. Okay, 21 trades in out of 25, almost 90%, because only 3 was lost. That means 22 win. This is refund or anything. So in this, okay, I will move more forward. So after that, how can I take the trade? I need to wait for the mitigation. Okay, total let's here draw, write down total trades. I take total trades 25. Okay, loss 3, refund was 1, refund was 1 is refund, loss was 3. Okay, so again I need to draw. Now I get a chance to draw the inducement level, so we have to wait for the mitigation level. Okay, it is very strongly moving downside. This is not our confirmations, so I don't want to take any trades. Okay, no confirmation. This is don't take this as a confirmation. See now what is happening. It is a lower low was broken with the wick, not with the body. So okay, it still is not a lower low was confirmed. Okay, not confirmed, not confirmed. So just the market is mitigating this higher highs. Sorry, this is the extreme fair value gap. See, it was mitigating downside was creating the gap. This is good. Confirmation is market is moving downside, but the target was finished. That's why I'm not taking the trade. Otherwise, I'm looking for the maybe trades. Okay. Okay, see it was moving downside, but this is not a tradable situation. Okay, okay. Any from here, if you have any red candle from here, I will look for the trade. I will explain after that. Okay. This is win. See what is happening here. Why I take the trade here? Here is a extreme fair value gap. It was mitigated again. It was created. This is the extreme fair value gap after mitigation of this target. This is the extreme fair value gap. This both candles try to break this gap, but it's not happen. After that, I have a reversal confirmation, so I take a sell trade. Now target was finished. I am not going to take any trade from here. Okay, from here I am not going to. I am not going to take any trades. Okay, strongly market is again creating the gap, but the target was finished. Little bit risky. If you want to take the trade, okay, no issues. Now see market is, it was ranging, sorry, trending. I analyze the market in this trendy situation also early in the morning also. Okay, maybe I will go for the sell trade. At least it will move downside. Okay, I was win here because of the trendy situation. I am taking the trade because this is, we have a, see, from here to here we have a good momentum in the market. If you see the in the market, if you try to understand, from here to here have a good momentum in the market. That's why I take a trade here. I was win. Now I have a gap, but I'm not going to take the trade now. At least we need mitigation because of this candle. We have a both side big wicks, so we need mitigation. After mitigation I will look for the trades. Okay, again it was moved downside, but this is not our confirmation to take the trade. It was mitigated now. So this is the first gap. Maybe there is a chances. I need more confirmation. Maybe at least one red candle is happen. Then only I look for the trades. So there is a no red candle. Now I am not going to take the trade because our reversal point is here. This is not our reversal point. If I want to take the trade from here, I need more confirmation. Otherwise, I will not take the trade. Okay. Okay. This is not my confirmation. That's why I didn't take the trade here. Okay. This is not my confirmation. No confirmation. No confirmation. Okay. Upside there is a no gap. Downside there is a no gap. No gap. No gap. No gap. No gap. See, there is a no gap. It was see this high, but this was unmitigated. And here is the inducement level. This is the inducement level is here because here is the lower low was broken. This is the lower low was broken. Inducement level was there. Okay. Still I am waiting for the confirmation. No confirmation. Okay. Here is the gap. But exactly it was closed at this. Okay. It was also broke out. So next target is here. I want to take a sell trade here, but it's a little bit risky of this week. If I reaction from here, if it is reacting from me, that is good. But I want to take the sell trade. But okay, let's see what is happened. Okay, it was win. Why? Because the market is very trendy. It is giving the confirmation and sweep the liquidity. Again create the gap, and it was extreme fair value gap was broke out. That's why it was moving. This is the now higher lower low. This is not a breakout structure. Why? Market is not mitigated inducement level. Without inducement mitigation level, that is not a good, what I can say, this is not a breakout structure. So now I need more confirmation. So what is happening? This is the inducement level present. Okay, this is the extreme fair value gap. Let's see what is happening. Okay, this is all or not confirmations for me. Drinking the water. So what is happening here? The target was finished, upside gap was created. Okay, but this is the trendy market. It was mitigated this gap. Again, it was, see, it was mitigating this gap, coming downside gap, but it will be risky to mitigate the target. So I don't want to take the trade. We need mitigation. Let's wait. Okay, win. Okay, last second it was lost. It was mitigated, but I need to wait for the red candle. Okay, it was moving downside, but I didn't take any trade. No, there is a no confirmation now. There is a no confirmation. 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 Okay, there is a no confirmation. Still now there is a. It was moving upside. Here is the first investment. Here is the investment level is here. Okay, it was creating the lower low was broken here. There is the lower low was broken with body. So investment level is here. Marketing creating upside gaps, not downside. See, it was creating upside gaps. It is indication moving upside. Okay, see here exactly from this it was okay. Not a green candle. It is a red candle. I will try to take a call option from here, but no issues. No option here. I don't have a option here. See, it was reacting from extreme fair value gap. That is indicating it will move upside. Upside you have a gap also, but there is a chances to market will move down upside also. So I don't want to take the trade. I need more confirmation. So this is not a good confirmation for me. So that's why I didn't take a trade. Okay, now I look for the trade from here. I will go for the sell trade here. Why? This is the sweep. This high was sweeping. It was not broken. The manipulation is over. So I take the trade here. So okay, that is a good thing. Okay, again market is creating the gap, but the lower low was mitigated. This will be risky, but this is tempting a very good confirmation. In trendy situation I'm getting more confirmation. See, I take a trade here, I was win here. If you want to check here, here is the time. I am not editing any video, I'm taking very fastly trade, because if I have a trendy market like this, you can get easy trades. Okay, if you have a good, you get a good trades from here. See how many trades I take. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 out of 5 win. So totally here is a plus 5. What is happening? Plus 5 equals to 30. Okay, loss was 0. Loss was okay. Loss was okay. Win equals to how much I was win? 26 trades I was win. 26 trades I was win in 30 trades. Okay. Okay, I'm looking for the 100 trades. I don't know if I get or not. I have again gap. I not taking any trade here. Okay, it was moving down very fastly. Again, I am getting good video. Okay, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. Okay, no confirmation. So no confirmation. This is the reversal point. Now this lower low was broken. After lower low was broken, where is my, here is the investment level is here. So investment level is I drawn here. Also wait for the confirmation. No, 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 no confirmation. No gap, no confirmation. No gap, no gap, no gap. There is a no gap. Okay, now there is a gap. Now there is a gap. But what is happening here? There is the target was here. It was mitigated. Here is the target was mitigated. Here is the target. It was mitigated. Lower side big weak. Okay, this is the trendy market, so I will take some risky also here. Okay, it was win because of the trendy market. So this is the plus point for if you do in the trading in trendy market or with trade with the trend, that will be your plus point will happen. So now it is the target. So now I have a gap, but this week is not confirming me to take the trade. So okay, it was closed exactly at this extreme fair value gap, but this is exhaustion candle, so I don't want to take directly sell trade here. But see, again reversal can happen, but here is the gap is here, so I don't want to take again sell trade here. Okay, it was moving upside, sweep this high, coming downside. So again, no confirmation, no confirmation. Market is moving again this target. Okay, investment level is here. Let's wait. What is up? What is market is doing? Okay, 1 second. I will remove this. And here is the order block. Here is the you have a order block also. Here is the order block also. Let's wait. What is happening? Market is creating the opportunity to upside, but I don't want to take that because trend is downtrend. It is trendy situation. Okay, it was broke the order block also. Okay, what is happening here? It was there is a no gap. I am looking for the gap. Still there is a no gap. Okay, okay. Without gap, I am not going to take any trades. No gaps, no gaps. Okay, upside gap was created. Downside we need. Now it was created the gap here. See what is happening here. After the mitigating the order block, and here is the one more fair value gap. Fair value gap was mitigated after order block. Okay, fair value gap was mitigated and it was sweeping. High was sweep, high was sweep. It is creating the gap. Manipulation gap was broke out. The time was downside. Okay, it is good confirmation, but this candle is not confirming me, but I want to take a sell trade from directly from here. Okay, it was a win because the target was below, so this is the good confirmation. Okay, I take the trade. After that I don't have a confirmation. We need mitigation of this gap. After mitigation only I want to take the trade here. So it was breakout. Okay, it was reacting exactly closer this candle. The high was sweep here, the high was sweep here. I want to take a sell trade directly from here. Let's wait. Okay, I take a trade here. I lost here. Okay, no issues, but I need more confirmation. I lost here. Okay, after that it was coming downside, but this is not our confirmation. No confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. There is a no gap, no confirmation. No gap, no confirmation, no gap, no confirmation. It was moving upside. Where is our change of character? There is a no break of success, so there is a no change of character. So maybe market will move upside sometime. After that, it will come downside. Here is the extreme fair value gap. It was mitigated. Here is a higher high. Here is a swing high. Here is a liquidity level. Let's see. It is how it was reacting or not. Okay. No, it was moving upside only. No confirmation. No confirmation. No confirmation. No confirmation. Let's wait. It was sweep a high. It was moving. So already we discussed that when market is sweep the lows and giving rise, see the lows, it is indicating moving upside, but trend is still, it is downtrend. So I want to take downtrends only. Here is the extreme fair value gap is here. Let's see what is happening. Okay, from this extreme fair value gap, market is creating the gap. See, here is a what is happening. The gap was broke out. The manipulation gap was here. It was also breakout. It is a what is this? This is the confirmation gap. So I will take for the directly trade from here, not here. Here, the next candle. Array. Okay. See, last second, it was a loss. So maybe after mitigation, I want to take one more trade. Okay, no issues. I am taking trade very fastly now. So after one loss, I was win here, no issues. Okay, because of the this gap, it need mitigation, no issues. After mitigation, I take the trade here. So again, I need more confirmation. Yes, I have a good confirmation here, but where it was closing, that is important. Okay, this is good confirmation, but I need where it was closed, that is matter. It was closed exactly this gap, so there is a maybe it need mitigation. After mitigation, maybe it will move downside. Okay, it was mitigated, so I will go for this sell trade from here. Let's wait what is happening. Okay, I was win here. Okay, after that I don't have a confirmation. I don't want to take the trade here. After that, market is coming downside strongly. It was reach our target. I have to wait for it. Okay, there is a gap, but this candle is not a good confirmation. Is so it was moving upside. My reverse level is here, so I have to wait for it. Upside was creating the gap. See, always market is see the extreme fair value gaps and moving gaps with higher side. So there is indication it is moving some after some time. Let's see what is happening. Okay, this is not a good confirmation for me. We need confirmation. See, it was respecting upside gaps. It was respecting upside gap. That means I am not going to take any trade here. Okay. Okay, now it was exactly, I have a confirmation now. After confirmation, but it was closed exactly this fair value gap and reacting this gap also. This is a little bit risky. So I need mitigation because liquidity was sweep already. So gap was created. This is confirmation, but the red light is here. So if you want to take the trade, maybe if you want to go it, no issues. Some risky if you want to take the trade because upside everything is mitigated. Everything is mitigated. The liquidity was sweep second time and third time also you have a breakup gap. That's why I'm taking the trade risk here. Maybe sometime it will be loose also, no issues. Okay, because of the trendy market it was win here. Okay, the trade was finished. We have a gap, but I need compulsory mitigation. After mitigation only I take the trade, otherwise I am not taking the trade. So still it is moving downside. The next target is here, extreme fair value gap. So this is the good one of confirmation. The gap was again created. Maybe it will move downside also. Okay, it will move downside. Okay, the target was finished. Now I am not looking for the trades. Okay, it was moving downside. It was mitigated. This is not a good confirmation. Not a confirmation. Not a confirmation. Not a confirmation. Not a confirmation. This is okay. It was see this high. Let's see what is creating here. Okay, there is a no gap. If it is creating gap, that will be confirmation. Okay, there is a no gap, no gap, no trade, no gap, no trade, no gap, no trade, no gap, no trade. Okay, this is the gap was created again market. See, here is the liquidity was sweep. Yes, the liquidity was sweep here. The liquidity was sweep here. So market is creating the downside, but here is the equal loss. It was sweep. It will be risky, little bit risky. Need mitigation. So after mitigation only we have to take the trade here. Okay, it was sweep here. So we don't take the trade here. After that, I don't have confirmation. Moving downside, moving downside. Okay, moving downside. The target was finished here. Here is the lower low was here. Here is the lower low was here. So it was mitigated. So we need more confirmation, more confirmation, more confirmation. Here is the mitigation. Up downside we need gap. Okay, there is a no gap. Until don't have a gap, don't take a trade any trade here. Here is a big gap here. What is happening? Here is a lower low. It was broken. In this whole market, here is the extreme fair value gap is here for us to retrace. See, I am taking trades from here to here. This is downtrend. That's why I am taking only down trades. So maybe it will be reach all targets. At least it will retrace. After that, I will try to take a trade here. So market is creating one kind of setup. I will try to take a sell trade from here. Okay, I was win. Okay, last second it was loss. No issues. So after mitigation, I don't have a confirmation. I am not going to take the trade here. No trade, no trade. Oh my god, there is a news maybe. So market is again it was creating gap. But downside I have wick, so I don't want to take the trade here. So downside I have a big wicks. Maybe there is a chances to market will at least it will retrace. So after retrace, it was a retracement. After retracement, there is a chances to maybe it will move downside. So if here is I want to take the trade downside, it was win. So see from here, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades I take from here to here. Okay, 10 trades means how many trades I lost win. How many trades I want to loss here? 1 trade here loss. 2 trades I lost here. 3 trades here. 3 trades I lost here. Totally 7 trades and 10 trades plus again 10. See again. again plus 10 equals to 40. I lose 3 means plus 3 my equals to 6 trades I lost. Okay, 1 second. 6 trades I lost. So win how many? Plus 7 equals to 33 trades. I was win in 40. So this is very good winning ratio, I think so. So still now I take a 40 trades. So not at least I not achieve 50 trades. So okay, still no problem. I give the promise to you. So I need to wait for the. So I need to take the trades. This is the next target, and this is the breakout structure level. So I need to draw all these levels. This is breakout structure level. So I have any confirmation, I can go for the trade from here. Gap was created, but it was closed exactly at the extreme fair value gap. So I am not going to take the trade. Okay, it was breakout. So no trade, 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 no trade. Okay, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. This is the first gap, this is the manipulation gap. Don't depend on this. Here is the extreme gap and here is the high was here. So you have to depend on this one, at least this one you have to depend. So no gap. Okay, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap. So here is the gap was created. So gap was created, but where it was closed? Exactly at this extreme fair value gap, it was closest. So maybe it will reverse. At least wait for the mitigation. After that, mitigation. I want to take the trade. See, last second it was reverse. So I don't have confirmation. Okay, it was broke out. There is a no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. So now it was creating the gap. The target was here. It was broke out. It was the every target was broke out. So the extreme target is here. Okay. So it is not happen. It is a bit risky. So I don't want to take any trade here. Okay. I am waiting for the confirmation. So upside it was creating the gaps. Upside was creating the gaps. It was sweep this high. No gap downside, no gap downside, no gap. It was moving upside. This will be again high. Here is the extreme fair value gap. Let's see what is happening. Okay, market is creating the gap in here. What kind of gap is it here? Here is a okay. See, here is the extreme fair value gap. It was broke out. It is the extreme fair value gap. It was broke out. Upside there is a gap. This is a good confirmation. You can go for sell trade here. See how much strongly it was coming because it was see the high and break the manipulation gap. I get a good confirmation and extreme fair value gap also broke out. I take a sell trade here. I was win here. So target was finished. After that, here is extreme fair value gap. This is not a good confirmation to take the trade because this is the exhaustion candle. So I need wait more. I need to wait for more confirmation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after that, I will take a one trade only. This is the 41st trade. Okay, again I have a gap here. So this is not a good confirmation because it was closed exactly at the support level. So resistance level it will be move upside also. So I don't want to take the trade here. Next candle will be move upside also. There is a chances. It was moving downside. It was closed exactly extreme fair value gap. So no confirmation. Next target is here. Here is a one more target. Here is the one more target. So it was moving upside after finishing the target. So okay, here is the gap. But what happened? The extreme fair value, extreme level is mitigated. This is the breakout structure level is here. So we need mitigation. After mitigation, I will look for the trade. This candle is mitigated and coming downside. So this is not a good trade actually. So I don't want to take a trade here. Okay. So moving downside, breakout structure was happened. After the breakout structure, where is the highest point is? Here is the highest point. This will be our change of character. This is our change of character. So I have only one trade. Here is the 41st trade I was win. What is happening to here? I place one, again plus 1 equals to 34 trades I was win here. Okay, so see, this is almost from this 10 hours is happened already. So still I am looking for the trades. This is the investment levels. This is the investment level. Okay, I need to wait for the mitigation. Gap was created, but I am not taking the trade. So this is one kind of setup. My setup, maybe it will move downside. Okay, let's see. Okay, I was win here. Without mitigation of inducement, I take the trade because of this is one kind of setup. That's why I take a trade, and this is a very good downward trend and trendy market. So if you go with the trend, you will definitely win the trade. Okay, this is 42nd trade I was win. Okay, we need confirmation. It was mitigated, but not good confirmation. Okay, it is looking like okay. It was a green candle. I don't want to take the trade. No trade. No trade. Okay, see here what is happening. Market is creating the gap. Creating the gap. Okay, here is the extreme fair value gap. So we need mitigation. After mitigation only, I take the trade. After that, I don't take the trade. Without mitigation, it was coming downside, but okay. Again, it was create the gap. This is 100% will move downside. I think so because exactly close at the support level. Sometime get a green candle also. No issues if you have a green candle. Again, I will go with the sell because the target was below. Let's wait. Here is a lower low was here. So maybe it will move downside. Okay, it will move upside. I will go for the again. I will go for the where is this? I was lost here actually. I was lost here. I will go for the sell again. See, I was win because this is trap. Exactly from the support level, strong buyers are enter without sipping any liquidity. Downtrend is downtrend. That's why I take a. This is trap trading. Okay, no issues. 43rd second. Okay. Again, I don't have a confirmation. I need more confirmation. See, here is a gap was created. But where is the liquidity? Liquidity was here. It was just creating the equal highs. This is not a. Let's see, it was sweep or not. It just creating the equal highs. This is liquidity. This is not a good confirmation gap, and it exactly closes the extreme fair value gap. So there is a chances to market will reverse and mitigate. After mitigation, I will take the trade. Okay, see, it was mitigated, but this is not a good confirmation because from this extreme fair value gap, green candle is happened. So I don't want to take the trade. I need more confirmation. So okay, it was moving upside. It was sweep these equal highs. Still, I need more confirmation. No confirmation. No confirmation. No confirmation. No confirmation. Okay. Okay, it was coming downside. Okay, no gap. No gap. No gap. No gap. This is see what is happening here. Exactly, it was see the liquid extreme fair value gap is here. This extreme fair value liquid was it was sweep. Upside was creating the gap. So this is combined low probability. Still, I want to take that trade here. Let's see what is happening. I was win here. Okay, now I don't have confirmation. Okay, no confirmation. No confirmation. Now see market is creating strong candle. The lower low was broken, so this is not a good confirmation to take the trade. I have to wait for the more mitigation or anything. This is not a good confirmation. I have to wait for it. It was mitigated, come down. Still, it is not a good confirmation. Okay. Here is the investment level. After low was broken, this is the investment level. It was not mitigated. Okay, see, here is a gap was created. What is this gap? Gap was created. This is a confirmation the target was finished. Exactly, it was closed at this level. So this is some kind of risky, but maybe trend is downtrend. It will move down also. Let's see. I will take the trade here. So I was win here, confirmation gap, and here is the next target was here. It was exactly close at the support level. From this support level, if you have any green candle, I will look for the again trade. Okay, this is trap trading. I will go for the again sell trade because exactly it was coming from the support level. Upside I have a gap. It was not sweep any liquidity, so it will move downside. This is 45th trade. Maybe it will going to be win. Yes, see. Okay, I was lost here. No issues. After mitigation, I will try to take the trade here. Okay, this is not a good confirmation. Okay, I will wait for the confirmation. Okay, no issues, no issues. Here is any gap is here. Yes, the gap was created here, but the gap was created here. The target was finished. Okay, so mitigation is happened. I will go for the sell trade here. I will go for the sell trade here. A target was finished. I need mitigation. After mitigation, I take the sell trade here. Win. There is no confirmation. I have to wait for it. Okay, it was moving downside, downside. No gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap. Okay, the gap was mitigated. See, it was not mitigated the inducement level. So, without inducement litigation level, this will be only lower low, not a breakout structure level. So, after at the lower low, market is creating gap. See, after that, how many take trades here? Uh, from here, I got a 41 trade. Now, I after that, I take a how many trades here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In these 7 trades, I lose 1. I lose 1 here. I lose 2 here. So 5 trades are win. So see, I will draw somewhere. Again, I place here. I take a 7 trades. Okay, equals to how many trades? Okay, 48 trades is happen. 48 trades. I take a 48 trades. I lose plus equals to 6 plus 2 equals to 6 plus 2 equals to 8 trades I was win. Here I was win plus 5 equals to 41 trades. In 48 I was a win 41 trades. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe if I get any opportunity, I don't, at least I finish the half century. Okay, again gap was created, so this is not a good confirmation to take the trade. No confirmation, no confirmation, no confirmation. Okay, but this is a good confirmation, but I have a gap here, so I am not taking any trade here. No confirmation, I have to wait for it. If market sweep this high, I will take the trade. Okay, from here I want to take a one sell trade. Let's wait. Okay, I was win. If this I was sweep, that was my win. Okay, after that I don't have a confirmation. No confirmation. Strongly the gap was created here, but lower low was broken. Strongly the gap was broken, the lower low was broken. So little bit risky. I need to wait for the mitigation. So this is one kind of good confirmation. I look for the sell trade from here. Let's wait what is happened. Okay, because this is good setup for me, so that's why I take a sell trade. Okay, I was win again 2 trades. I finish off century now. 50 trades, 51 trades I take now. So this is 51th trade. 50 trade I was win. This is 50 trade I was win. Okay. Okay. Still I have a two opportunity to take the trades. Okay. This is not a good confirmation because downside there is a gap. That's why I'm not taking any trade. Actually, otherwise it will be good one. Let's wait. Okay. Market is creating the gap here. Gap was created, but I need mitigation. Okay, it was breakout, so I don't want to take the trade. It has to be sweep here. The liquidity was sweep here. So next candle is happen. No gap, no gap, no gap, no gap, no gap. So after low break, this will be our investment level. Investment was mitigated. After mitigating the investment level, this is the breakout structure. Let's wait. Here is a good confirmation I have. Liquidity was sweep. This will be our, what is this? Target was finished. So little bit risky. We need mitigation. So I have this setup. This is good setup. My students are very well know. This will be sell trade from here. Okay, I will take next sell trade. It was win. After that I don't have confirmation. Again it was color change fair value. It was exactly coming from this support level. So it will most of the time it will move directly, but this green candle have a wick. That is a good confirmation, but still I will go for the sell trade. But it was loss, so no issues. So there is a no confirmation. Okay, here is a gap was created. After gap, see the extreme fair value gap was broken. It was mitigated the all fair value gaps. The gap was created here. I will look for the sell trade here. This will be my next trade. It was win. Again gap was created. Gap was created, but maybe we need mitigation. Okay, mitigated. Okay, I need to wait for the this gap maybe. Okay. Okay, no confirmation, no confirmation. I was a gap here. I get a gap here, but breakout structure is downside, so I will go for this sell trade here. I was win here. So from now here to here I take a one. How many trades? I take 1 2 3 4 5 6. In the 6 trades I lost one here. Okay, I take 6 trades. I lost one here. Again let's see, check this. Plus 6 equals to how many trades it will be happen? 54 trades. 54 trades. I lost. Sorry, I win here. Sorry, what is happening in this? Plus I win here 5. 5 trades. I lost only one trade. Okay, total I win 46 trades. 46 trades. Okay, let's see. I take it totally. How many hours I was, see if I exactly from this lower low was broken almost November, yeah, night to here. So I need to wait for the again investment level. It is here. So let's wait. What is will be confirmation will be? What is the confirmation will be? So there is a no confirmations. It is coming moving downside. No confirmations. No confirmations. So at least from this extreme fair value gap, we need any confirmation. Okay. Market is moving upside, but I am not taking it. This is the extreme fair value gap. So we need confirmation. We need confirmation. We need investment was mitigated. This will be our breakout structure level. Downside. See here what is happening. I didn't see this gap. The gap was mitigated. We need mitigation. The gap was mitigated. Okay, it was mitigated breakout. It was breakout, so we don't want to take any trade here. After that market was moving upside, moving downside. See, here is the order block is here. This is the order block. Order block was mitigated. After that, market is moving still upside. Okay. Okay. See here. This is our change of character level. The change of character was happened. The trend is now uptrend. So I need to look for the trades now upside. This will be our inducement level. Okay. Okay, we need to wait for the mitigation of inducement level or any confirmation gap was created. After that, I need only take the trades. Otherwise, wait for the okay. Market is see it was creating the inducement level again. Again, inducement level was shifting here, but not giving any good confirmation for me. Maybe it will move upside until this equal highs here. Let's see. Maybe it was also sweep. Maybe here is a one more liquidity level. It will move up to that level maybe. Okay, let's see what is happening here. There is a no gap, no trade, no gap, no trade, no gap. So we look for the call option only. See, here is a gap was created, but the target was finished here. So the target was finished here. So let's take confirmation. Market was mitigated the inducement level. So here is the our breakout structure level. This is our breakout structure level. Let's wait what is happening. It is coming downside. I looking for the upside options. So there is no upside options. Okay, see it was create the gap here. This is a good confirmation, but okay, wait. This is the good confirmation, but the high was broken here. So and this fair value gap is not broken. So we need mitigation. Okay, but okay, I have a reaction. I will go for call option from here. I go for call option here. I was win here. See, I was a win here. After that, again, I will go for the call option. Again, I will go for the call option. Let's see what is happened. Okay, this is also win because this low was sweep in here. That's why I take a call option. I was win. So next target is here. So I need to wait for the trades. Sorry, gaps. So now market is over. All the market. See, now this is present market. How many trades I take trade here? I take a 2 trades. I was win 2 trades. So totally this is 56 trades. I got not 100 trades I got, but 2 trades I take equals to 56 trades I got. Again plus 2 I win. That means equals to 48 trades I win. 48 trades I was win. Okay, in this there is a no loss. Totally 56 trades, 48 win. Okay, see now. See, I read the chart from where? How many hours I was read from? You can look at here. Almost from here, November 8th, 1 o'clock. These all hours. See, I read this all and all this chart. I take a 56 trades. Okay, this is not a joke. This is not I look for the 100 trades, but I take a 56 trades. I take 48 I win. Okay, 48 I win. One is refund. Okay, how many? 49. 7 trades. 7 trades or loss. Okay, I look for the 100 trades, but I didn't get. If I take a opposite directional trade, I will get. So I hope you will love this video. Maybe you learn a lot of things. If you like this video, like and share with your friends. If you want to join my course, my contact details in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, traders. Okay.